Now when you're at the laundromat, you use soap to clean your clothes, right? So we're going to take 3 drops of the soap and put them into each of the waters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to shake up both of the tubes, and we're going to see how the soap reacts in both of the waters. Hey guys, this is Sade from Aquafeel, Maryland, where we provide you with the best water quality experience. Today we're going to be talking about hard water versus soft water and how having soft water in your home can save you money. Hard water is water filled with minerals such as calcium and sodium magnesium versus soft water, which is treated water free of all those contaminants. Some of the negative effects of having hard water is mineral buildup in your old household appliances and sinks. It can also cause dry skin and brittleness as well, and overall it can be detrimental to your health and your household appliances, and it can also cause a mineral and salt buildup in your sinks and your faucets. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys the economy test, and that's basically going to show you hard water versus soft water. Let's pretend that we are going to be at a laundromat. So this is our beaker of tap water, and we're going to put this in the red tube. Now we're going to take this bottled water and we're going to put it in the blue tube. Now when you're at the laundromat, you use soap to clean your clothes, right? So we're going to take 3 drops of the soap and put them into each of the waters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to shake up both of the tubes, and we're going to see how the soap reacts in both of the waters. Now, as you can see in the purified water, the bottled water, the soap is really bubbly in it, and the water at the bottom is completely clear. Compared to the soap in the hard water, there's no bubbles at all, and the water's pretty blurry and murky looking. So this is because hard water is unable to dissolve soaps and detergents. So when you're doing your laundry and you're putting soap in, you're actually causing a lot of soap scum and buildup in your clothes, which can actually have long-term health effects. But in order to achieve the bubbles that you see in the purified water, you'd actually have to add more soap into the hard water. So let's add a couple more drops to see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're going to shake it up. Alrighty, and now as you can see, we've achieved the same amount of bubbles in the hard water that we got in the purified water, but we had to add more soap into the hard water to get the same results that we got in the purified water, which means that at the end of the day, you're actually spending a lot more money because you're using more soap. So that means you have to buy more soap quickly because you're using a lot more in the hard water. Ways to avoid wasting money and using up more soap is to have purified water instead of hard water. If you guys want to find out more about how you can achieve purified water in your home, head on over to our website at aquafeelmaryland.com and sign up for a free water quality test, or you can like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.